Hello my friends, in this video I will show you how to install an HP printer without installation disk. Open your browser and type freeprintersupport.com. In the search box type your printer model. Click in Highlight Printer Model. Scroll down the page and click on Basic INF Download button. If INF don't work, try Full Feature Drive option. Locate and extract the folder. When you connect the USB and the power cable, push the power on button of the printer. Now I install the printer. Click on Settings, Devices, Printers and Scanners. Click on Add a printer or scanner. Wait a few seconds. Click on the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on the Manual Settings option. Click on the USB port. If your Windows 10 don't show the USB port, I have made a special video for how to fix this problem. Click on Have Disk. Click on Browse and click Next. 3 times install the printer in this PC so the location has preset. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. When click on Finish, go to Devices and Printers. Open the printer. Click on Customize your printer. Select Printer. When click OK, the Properties tab open. Click on Print Test page. Thank you for watching.